This is a sad day. I used to have good eyesight, but the other day I was having trouble reading these game pieces. I had to get right under the lamp. I mean millimeters from the lamplight to read the numbers. So, I bought a magnifying glass. I'm not much of a gambler, but there is some good cash prizes in this game. 5,000 and 100,000. Let me open this magnifier. The big lens is 2 times magnified, and this small lens is 4 times magnified. And I got this neat carrying bag too. Now hopefully I can read the game pieces. Let's try it. It works. 4 times magnifying is what I use. I want a drink. Looks kind of high. Here we go. I am seriously thinking about dropping this customer. Every time payment is due, she starts these games. She delays. She says go ahead and do it when she knows that it's prepay. She's out of state now, so it would be real easy for her to stick it to me, and she knows that. But I don't play the game. I don't do it until I get the check. And so lately, every time it's a fight to get the check. I don't appreciate it. I know the lady she hangs out with when she lived here. It's very common for them to go spend $50 at lunch, but she won't send $45 to help me during the winter. It's amazing. Now I'm going to drive out the yard. I know for a fact that no decent lawn company will put up with her. I'm guessing that it hasn't been done. But it's not going to get done until I get paid. Because the minute you give in on that, one time, they got you. Okay. Hasn't been done. Here's the Cane's Peel the Love game. You enter your codes here in the box from the game pieces, and then the letters light up. I have 2 letters of the $5,000 prize. I know it's a long shot. I'm not a gambler, but this is fun for me.